Alright, so today I'd like to talk about this little plant that is growing in our backyard and how it's taking over our little backyard garden right there. Have a couple of them more over there. So what is this little plant? Where did it come from? What is it, and do we want it or do we want to get rid of it? Well, it turns out that this is a Jamaican plant that is actually called ceresea, and it grows in a vine. So this is where it came from. As you can see, my fence, it was all over the wire, and some of the seeds broke down from here and they fell into the ground, and that's how we got some of those seeds inside of our garden. Now, a lot of people get rid of these plants because they think it's some kind of weed that is just growing and taking over their backyards. It could be. If you don't like it, if you don't know anything about it, don't try to eat it. It does have some kind of fruit. It's orange, prickly looking fruits. I don't have one here, but I'm gonna look one online to share. And from what I read online, this plant is used in Jamaica to make some tea and some other drinks. Some people actually cook it and boil it, and it's called the ceresea plant. We actually tried it when it was growing. We had some of the family members actually peel it and eat it. Nothing happened as long as you know what you're doing. And we also made tea. My mom actually tried the tea for 7 days, and she swears that she had she felt different. Like she had more energy. She was able to walk longer, stand longer. So from what I read online, this plant can actually help you clean your kidneys. It helps you with your urinary traction. So it's a healthy plant. You just gotta drink it in small doses. Now the flavor of the plant is very bitter. But look, as you can see, this one right here is a small one. Like, I can still smell it. It kind of smells like a weed, some kind of very strong weed. So for now, we're just gonna let them grow a little longer. We're hoping that we can guide them back up the trellis, and we want them to grow around our trellis to give us some kind of privacy. And we'll try to save some of the dry leaves to make some tea. But if it gets too bad, we're going to remove it from our garden. As you can tell, we have a lot of new peppers growing up here. But today I wanted to make a video about this plant that I've been seeing growing around our garden just randomly. It seems like the seeds have stayed dormant for a while, and they're now finally blooming. So that's a ceresea plant. Look it up, find the information. From what I read online, the people in Jamaica really love it, and those who have it in their backyard are called to be a very blessed people because of all the nutrients and all the good things that come from this plant. That's just something to learn today. I hope this helps somebody. Before you try anything new, make sure you do some research online, ask people that know about it. So yeah, that's ceresea. If you have it in your backyard, well, you got to make sure whether you want to keep it or get rid of it. All right, bye.